Welcome to Understand the Math. I'm going to show you exactly how to simplify this trig expression. In this example, we're going to start by multiplying out tangent x. This gives us tangent x times cosine x minus tangent x times cosecant x. Let's use the fact that tangent x is equal to sine x over cosine x to see if we can simplify this further. We'll plug that in. So tangent x is sine x divided by cosine x times cosine x. That's great. We see that the cosines are going to cancel. Minus, plugging that in again, tangent x is sine x divided by cosine x times cosecant x. Our cosines cancel on our left term, so we have just a sine x. And then let's notice that cosecant x is 1 divided by sine x, so we can plug that in. So this becomes minus sine x divided by cosine x times 1 divided by sine x. And we can see that our sine x cancels. This gives us sine x minus 1 over cosine x. And then we know that 1 divided by cosine x is secant x. This gives us sine x minus secant x.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.